Satoshi Nakamoto is great, but he could have changed the world. Instead, he left us.
Hi everyone, today I want to dive into something that's been eating at me. The world of cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, and how the dream has turned into a bit of a nightmare for some of us. You all know Elon Musk, right? He's like the Iron Man in real life. He once said SpaceX was all about colonizing Mars, building a self-sustaining city there. And at first, people thought he was nuts. But look at him now, changing the game with every move. He's a man of action, and he is proving his points one by one. He transforms the world by sticking to his vision, step by step. No one laughs at him anymore. He gets things done. And when I say Satoshi Nakamoto is a genius, but he just left us, I mean it. He's a genius, yes. He wanted a currency that was free, decentralized, yet ordered. A currency to rival fiat money, hoping to end exploitation through inflation. But here we are, looking at a crypto world that turned into a circus. Crypto has become a spectacle. It's tied to the dollar now. It's full of empty promises. You look at every narrative, it's like an empty shell now. Everything is like worthless when you think about the vision, the initial promise. Where is it? Look at the meme coins, how violent it is, full of scams. And where is the fairness in everything? It's really far from Satoshi's vision. I often wonder what he'd think of all this. If you could see that, maybe he's saying that if only he was like Musk, would this reality be any different? If only he was still the captain of the boat, If only he was our leader, would our reality be different? Let me share something personal. I have a friend who introduced me to crypto. He's always been there for me. But the other day, he said, "Oh, Cedric, I think I'm done. I want out." He felt the crypto world isn't what it used to be. He's literally losing hope. I get it. He got in before me. And when he was speaking about Bitcoin and Ethereum at that time, he had stars in his eyes. He firmly believed they'd change the world. DeFi, NFTs, the metaverse. We thought these were the beginnings of something. And at that time, imagine this. At 30, with 200k, you couldn't retire. You need millions. You need like 500,000, 1 million or 5 millions to retire like comfortably now. But stocks, the market, it was not lucrative enough. So we turned to crypto, hoping for a miracle. Even in the darkest times, when we had Black Swan events, like in the late 2018 or the second part of 2019, we remained optimistic because one good break could multiply our money by 10 or by 100. But today, let's have a look at this market. Bitcoin's market is at $1 trillion and Wall Street loves it. When you look at Tether and USDT, Tether holds more US Treasury bonds than Germany. But where is the real value? It feels like now it's just a capitalist game now, without genuine innovation. And once again, Wall Street and the banks, they love Bitcoin. That was not what we wanted. And that hurts when you've invested so much time and energy and it seems it's all for nothing. This is when some start the quiet exit. They leave quietly. If we were like a company, when employees lose faith, they leave calmly. And the environment, it just becomes bad. You have like this bad atmosphere around you. And in crypto, it's like in the workspace. It's contagious. So of course, here we have a twist. Buying when everyone is pessimistic often yields the best results. So paradoxically, more quiet exits and this kind of atmosphere like we have now, it makes buying more tempting. So maybe it's a signal of the bottom when people like my friend are quietly saying that they are fed up with what's happening. Maybe it's a buying signal. But anyway, I'm just like feeling that sadness around me. And even for those who stay, enthusiasm has waned. Why? Because they have no alternatives. A regular job? Make me laugh. Putting money in the bank to watch inflation, it eats away. No thanks. So, people just stay. And my friend, he's like that, he stays. But he is disillusioned. Even the meme craze that he was enjoying, he says now that it's just full of scams and feels like it's just a casino. He sees no point anymore. He thinks Bitcoin and crypto have just become tools for investors, for traditional finance. We are so far from the financial revolution they promised. The financial revolution Satoshi Nakamoto promised. And we don't have someone like Elon Musk to lead us. Satoshi Nakamoto is gone. So yeah, nothing is emerging anymore. The metaverse, a flop. Decentralized social media, stagnant. And now we question, do these current projects and narratives like Depin or AI really make an impact? Are those projects really useful? Maybe we are not at the beginning like we thought. This isn't the internet of the 90s. Bitcoin and stablecoins found their place already, but the rest lost at sea without direction or real value. So yes, the atmosphere is sad and we are waiting. The only thing that might shake things up is possibly the election of Trump or Harris. It could redefine regulatory frameworks, but it's still uncertain. We are like in the blur. Of course, I don't blame Satoshi for not being like Musk, and we have to find a solution by ourselves to create this real decentralized world, crypto. It's like gunpowder or the atomic bomb. Satoshi Nakamoto's creation is being misused. And watching crypto drift from its ideal, it's tough to swallow. I just hope the market refocuses on real values, on this decentralized world, decentralized finance that we dreamed about. What do you think? Are you happy with crypto's current state? Where do you see its future? Share your thoughts in the comments. I just wanted to share that what I'm feeling and what I'm living, and maybe it will help us find our direction and focus on the initial idea and the initial project. Why are we doing all that? And what world are we building together? What do you think? Tell me, and I'll see you